This is a review for the Dude beard oil, deep conditioner, softener, argan oil that stops itchiness or dry skin, and it comes in a 50ml bottle. So that's a nice little packaging that it comes in. There's the bottle there. And it tells you how to apply on the back and also the ingredients. So first of all, it says apply a small amount to the palm of your hand after washing the face, which I have done. Using your fingers, your fingertips, massage into beard and moustache from the roots outwards. So we'll give that a little go. So you've got a nice little dripper in there as well. So a small amount. I would say that was a small amount. So on the palm of my hand. So what I'm going to do is just massage it in. See, it's from the roots outwards. It's got a nice smell. I must admit, well, I've only had a beard for a short while. Not really much of a beard really, to be honest, but it does get itchy. Yeah, it's got a really nice light smell. Touch in as well. It says to wash your hands after. So you've got any greasiness on your hands, I just use a cloth for the moment. Yeah, feels really nice. Makes it feel nice and soft. Well, it's just to test it on the girls now. No, just kidding. But yeah, really nice. Does feel really good. Feels nice and fresh. So if you're after some beard oil to take care of your beard, to make it feel nice and stop the itchiness, then have a look at this one by Dude. Really nice. Never thought I'd be using anything like this, but I'm really glad I have. Really good. Thank you.